Hi guys, it's Russian with Natalie, and I am back with a new video. Today we're gonna talk about the Russian alphabet. So let's get started. Давайте начинать. If you're an auditory learner like me, you will find it easier to learn the Russian alphabet in a song. I'm not a singer obviously, but I hope you will like it, and most importantly, you will find it very useful. So for now guys, just listen to the whole song, and then we'll talk about each part individually. А, Б, В, Г, Д, Е, Ё, Ж, З, И краткое К, Л, М, Н, О, П, Р, С, Т, У, Ф, Х, Ч, Ч, Ш, Щ, твердый знак И, мягкий знак Э, Ю, Я. Now let's look at each part individually. So, А, Б, В, Г, Д, Е, Ё, Ж, З, И краткое К, Л, М, Н, О, П, Р, С, Т, У, Ф, Х, Ц, Ч, Ш, Щ, твердый знак И, мягкий знак Э, Ю, Я. And one more time. А, Б, В, Г, Д, Е, Ё, Ж, З, И краткое К, Л, М, Н, О, П, Р, С, Т, У, Ф, Х, Ц, Ч, Ш, Щ, твердый знак И, мягкий знак Э, Ю, Я. And again. А, Б, В, Г, Д, Е, Ё, Ж, З, И краткое К, Л, М, Н, О, П, Р, С, Т, У, Ф, Х, Ц, Ч, Ш, Щ, твердый знак И, мягкий знак Э, Ю, Я. And faster. А, Б, В, Г, Д, Е, Ё, Ж, З, И краткое К, Л, М, Н, О, П, Р, С, Т, У, Ф, Х, Ц, Ч, Ш, Щ, твердый знак И, мягкий знак Э, Ю, Я. Okay guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you like that. If you're looking for a more conventional way of learning an alphabet, please check out my video in the description below. There are also included the words which represent each letter. Пока, до свидания!